This welder right here will do stick welding and wire feed process. Plugs right into your standard wall outlet. Here it is, just doing some stick welding, running some 5/64 wire, and there's an adjustment knob right on the front of the machine. You can crank your amps up or down depending on how it welds. So you're going to need to get some scrap metal and kind of test it out depending on which size welding rod you want to use, what diameter. But it worked really well with this 5/64 and welded just great. Was able to maintain the arc. Here's a look at it. I was able to lay a decent bead with it, and here it is again, running another rod. Little short bead there with a weave. And we're going to go ahead and run the wire feed process using this flux core wire. It comes with some 71T1 wire, which means the flux is on the inside of the wire, so you don't need any gas. There's also a mode selector switch on the front of the machine, and it'll allow you to select from stick welding or wire feed. Make cool projects too.